Chinese pinyin have been quite a challenge for many non-native speakers and natives. Why? Unlike its long-lasting hieroglyphics origin, modern standardized pinyin system that Mandarin uses have been implemented only about 60 years since the later 1950s. Moreover, most people know that China has the #1 population of the world for many years. With the latest updates in 2021, there are over 1.4 billion populations in China. But how many knows that this huge number of population, even though share the same language character database, but speak more than 100 diverse dialects? No matter how long you've been learning Mandarin, you would still hear foreign tongues when you visit different places in China. In fact, the popularization rate of Mandarin was only 50% by 2000 and 80% by 2020 nationwide, so you're not much far behind if you just started learning Chinese or find it difficult with pinyin. Here, we prepared the complete pinyin practice videos. Subscribe our channel, get all the updates, no matter which one you want to improve. Just click the video and start improving. In this series, we're going to practice the initials of Chinese pinyin one by one. There are 23 initials totally. Most of them pronounce the same way as the consonants of many other languages worldwide. The best news is, all pinyin initials follow the rules in order to make our lives easier. Firstly, one initial, one pronunciation, so no consonant mutation. Secondly, as it's named initial, it only places in the beginning of each pinyin, unlike this. Therefore, all Chinese characters are monosyllables. Regardless what character it is, the pronunciation is always simple. You don't need large vital capacity to learn Chinese. So, are you ready? Today we're going to practice the initial Ji. The key is to keep your facial muscles as such. Let's start. Ji, yi, ji. Ji, ya, jia. Ji, ye, jie. Ji, you, jiu. Ji, yao, jiao. Ji, yan, jian. Ji, yin, jing. Ji, ying, jing. Ji, yong, jiong. Ji, yang, jiang. Ji, yu, ju. Ji, yue, jue. Ji, yun, jun. Ji, yuan, juan. As I always say, practice makes it perfect. So feel free to play back and get familiar with pinyin. It is the key to your success of learning Mandarin. However, I have no objection if you insist on climbing over the wall instead. For most Latin languages, beginners see an unknown sentence do have a chance to read it out roughly, because the appearance of Latin words has direct connection with its sound. But Mandarin belongs to a hieroglyphics family. The character has much stronger connection to its meaning rather than the sound. This is a huge wall between the beginners and the Mandarin. Pinyin can break down the wall. Once the wall is down, your learning speed could be like riding a rocket. Follow up with a small game to summarize the pinyin we practiced today. Try to pronounce the pinyin that randomly show to you. Have fun, play, and learn.
Uh-oh.
Ji, Jia, Juan, Jiang, Jie, Jing, Ju,
Uh-oh.
Jing, Jue, Jiu, Jian, Jiao, Jun, Jiong, How did it go? This practice series is designed for the ones before they start learning Chinese. Use it to establish the correct connection between each pinyin and its sound. This would help you to get the right start. As most of the Chinese books for beginners are tagged with pinyin, before you know it, you might start reading Chinese. On the contrary, if you get used to an incorrect pronunciation, not only would cause lots of confusion to yourselves and others, but also it's going to be very difficult to override the brain later on, since it's the most stubborn organ in our body. Just kidding. So why not to get it right from the beginning? See you again then. Adios.